Hey guys, welcome to my first YouTube video. I've been getting some requests, so first I'm just going to be doing a eyebrow tutorial. So I'm going to show you the products I use and then do a demonstration. I use the MAC Fluid Brow Gel Cream in color True Brunette. I put it on with a brush, looks like this, just a flat angled brush, you can see it. And this goes a long way, so don't use a lot. Just apply a little bit on the brush and kind of make it an even amount. So I barely put any on. And at first I just lined the bottom of my lashes. My eyebrows. Just kind of outlining how you want the shape of your eyebrows to look. I barely put any on there, so you see how much it's going a long way. And then you want to do the top outline, but avoid like the front part of your eyebrows because you're going to brush those up instead of making them like a fine outline. Just kind of shape them. You don't have to make them perfect because you're going to go in at the end and kind of clean them up, make the edges look nice. So if it's not perfect when you're applying, it's okay because you're just going to go in and clean it up at the end. And I don't really have an arch, so I have to build my arch because my eyebrows will not grow there for some reason. Okay, and you can do the line at the front. Just don't make it as dark. Okay, and I go through and I just brush it out, kind of brush it out. They're kind of lighter than I usually do them, so I'm just going to go in and darken them a little bit. Fill in the spots that are kind of bare. Okay, all right, so that's that one before I clean it up. So I'm going to do the other one. Again, just line the bottom of your eyebrows. Like my eyebrows like definitely don't match, so I try to make them look similar, but they say like eyebrows are supposed to be sisters, not twins, but I prefer them to be twins. See, I made this arch a little too high. But I'll go in and make it disappear when I clean it up. After you're done, you kind of like just look at them to compare them to each other. Okay, so this is before I cleaned them up. Now I'm going to use the LA Girl Pro Concealer to clean up the outside of my eyebrows. I'm just going to use this angled brush. This isn't the same one I use for eyebrows, it's a different one. It's a little thicker. You just put a little bit on your brush because you're going to go in and outline the outside. And this is where you like, you can make corrections if you needed to. So it makes like a really nice, clean look. That's what you're going for. And the bottom. And some people like more of like a natural look. I just like my eyebrows to be very defined. So it just depends on your preference. Sorry, I hope you guys can understand me. I'm a horrible mumbler. Okay, go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. So that is my eyebrow tutorial. I feel like eyebrows take the longest and I'm always perfecting, so I mean everyone can always improve. I feel like my eyebrow shape is always changing. But that's done. Enjoy. I hope you learned something.